Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Azim Tariq from the Department of Environmental Science, Arid University. Today my topic of discussion is human heart. First of all, we have contents, introductions, parts and morphology of heart, working, cardiac cycle, blood vessels, heart disease, guide to heart disease. In introduction, the human heart is an organ that pumps blood throughout the body via the circulatory systems, supplying oxygen and nutrients to the tissues and removing carbon dioxide and other wastes. Location of heart. Your heart is located between your lungs in the middle of your chest, behind and slightly to the left of your breastbone sternum. A double-layered membrane called the pericardium surrounds your heart like a sac. Below picture shows the location of heart. In introduction, we also include the layer of heart. There are basically three layers of heart: epicardium, myocardium, and endocardium. Epicardium is the outermost layer formed of vesi-serial layers of serous pericardium. Myocardium is muscular middle layer of the wall of heart composed of three layers of muscles. Endocardium, the innermost layer of the heart, is formed of the endothelium and subendothelial connective tissues. Morphology. Parts of heart. There are basically 5 parts of heart: heart chambers, valves, vessels, conduction systems, and heart walls. There are 4 heart chambers. The upper 2 chambers are arteria, singular atrium, and lower 2 chambers are ventricles. The muscular walls called septa or septum divide heart into 2 sides. The right side of heart receives poor oxygenated blood and the left side of heart receives oxygenated blood. Valves. There are 4 valves within the heart. First one is tricapsid valve, second pulmonary valve, third is mitral valve, and fourth is aortic valve. This diagram shows the parts of heart with their specific functions. Working of hearts. The right side of your heart receives oxygen poor blood from your veins and pump it to your lungs, where it picks up oxygen and gets rid of carbon dioxide. The left side of your heart receives oxygen-rich blood from your lungs and pumps it through your arteries to the rest of your body. The right side of your heart receives, as we discussed, oxygen poor blood through the veins and it pumps this blood to the lungs through the pulmonary artery. And the left side of your heart receives oxygenated blood through pulmonary vein and supply it to the body through arteries. This diagram shows the working of vein, arteries, and heart for this flow of blood. Cardiac cycle. The cardiac cycle is the performance of human heart for the ending of one heartbeat to the beginning of the next heartbeat. It consists of 2 periods, one during which the heart muscles relax and refills with blood called diastole, and the other one is systole, in which the heart contracts and pumps the blood to other rest part of the body. During the cardiac cycle, closing and opening of valve and contraction and relaxation of chambers of heart. They produce some voice like lub and dub. This is too fast that to be listened as lub dub. Blood vessels. Blood vessels are the channels or conducts through which blood is distributed to the body tissues. The vessels make up two closed system of tubes that begin and at the heart. The pulmonary vessels transport blood from the right ventricle to the lungs and back to the left ventricle. There are three main types of blood vessels: arteries, capillaries, veins. Arteries are the main blood vessels through which oxygenated blood is supplied over all the body, and pulmonary artery receives deoxygenated blood and pumps it towards lungs. Capillaries are microtubules and so small that only one red blood cell pass through it at a time, and veins are the most important like arteries, which receives and supply deoxygenated blood to heart and then towards lungs for oxygenation. This cycle shows the working of blood vessels for the supplying of blood. Heart disease. Heart disease is the leading cause of death in the United States, causing about 1 in 4 deaths. In the term heart disease refers to the several types of heart condition. In United States, the most common type of heart disease is coronary artery disease (CAD), which can lead to heart attack. Now here is a question: what are the major types of heart disease? That is arrhythmia, atherosclerosis, congenital heart disease, coronary artery disease, heart infections. In arrhythmia, heart abnormality occurs, atherosclerosis, hardening of arteries, and heart infections may be caused bacteria, virus, or parasites. Coronary artery disease, which is the most common disease in the United States, is caused by the buildup of plaque heart disease. This also shows its common and common types of heart disease. Guide to heart disease. In general, treatment for heart disease usually includes lifestyle change, medications, quitting smoking, and limiting alcohol intake. In lifestyle change, you can lower your risk of heart disease by eating a low fat and low sodium diet, getting at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise on most days of the week, quitting smoking, and limiting alcohol intake and medications. This table also shows the common treatment for heart disease: stents, blood thinners, beta blockers, lifestyle change. Stents, these cholesterol lowering drugs, can reduce the level of plaque from LDLs in your bloodstreams. The big benefit: they can lower the risk of heart attack up to 25%. Blood thinners, also known as anticoagulants, these medicines help prevent the formation of dangerous blood clots in your arteries, which could block blood flow. Beta blockers, these pack a double punch. They not only lower your blood pressure but can also reduce your heart rate, which means your thinker does not need a much oxygen. Lifestyle change: while medications are helpful, Do not lose sight of our healthier habits. Improving your diet, exercising more, and giving you smoking and initials too. Thanks for watching.